it wrong.
Yes, Kalki, I have done.
What about other people?
Yeah, I've done two of them, first and second, and
Okay.
I had to go, like somewhere, some place, other place, like so I couldn't do it, but I can try and do it.
Okay. What about other people? I need some response. Hmm? Can someone share the screen, Prasad or Jagadish? Did I give three requirements or four requirements?
3 requirements.
Okay. Please
Yeah.
share screen. Jagadish, which one? Which
And
one haven't you done?
I have done the first and second one. I'm joining right now from mobile. So I have done the first one and second
Okay.
one, and the third one is not. Actually, you have not updated the requirement Word file on Drive. I have taken the screenshot from your video and then I
Okay.
do it.
Okay. I
Yeah,
got might have forgot.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, then Prasad share screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Just a second.
Have you used any AI tools to write the code?
No, I
Don't
haven't
mind if I'm asking
used
this
any.
question because you should learn.
Yes,
Everyone.
actually, I went to the previous course. I took the reference from there and tried my logic and asked you. So it's yeah.
Actually, for the first two, requirements, almost 60% code is same.
Yes,
What you have
actually the
explained in
first
the
one
video,
Okay, finding the
60,
child
seventy
engineer,
percent
updating
video.
work notes, and filing the child engineer, resolving it, right?
Yeah, yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Yeah,
60 or
most of
70% is
yeah,
same with the code that you have explained in the video. And then the
Correct.
yeah.
last one, I haven't done that, so I have no idea.
So this is the parent incident, like it should be resolved, and which you had already done that the previous class actually, and you told to just repeat the same. So this is the one.
Is there any way that we can write this code for this? Like instead of using update multiple, what's the other way that we can write the code for this?
So while next we can type while next and
Yeah, we can do while.
Good,
inc dot update. That's it, like incident
good, good,
update.
good. Click on when to run.
Yeah, just a second.
Like because of many holidays this month and last month. Okay, you can make it only work on update. Okay, yeah, it's fine. It's fine
Yeah.
for now.
Okay.
Yeah, the condition is also good. Yeah, async is better. Anyone did not understand this code? Anyone? If anyone is having any code, Prasad will explain for you.
Yeah, sure.
Dheeraj?
Yes, uh, you need to explain once again.
Yeah, please, Prasad, go through each
Yes.
line. Okay.
Yes. Just a second. Yeah. Is it visible? There is
It
it
is
is visible.
visible.
Yeah. Okay. So here we have declared one variable inc, and we have used new glide record and referred the table. Referred incident because we want to change or add anything or add the
Yes.
query, run the query to the incident. So then inc, which is already a variable, and add query, which is to mention the logic, the query which we want. So here, parent, as we are referring to the parent, um, uh, the parent field over here, and current dot sysid will refer to the like sysid of the parent field. And then we have
No, Prasad, I need a correct explanation for the fourth line.
fourth line. Okay. So add query is to mention the logic, the query which we want to add. That is correct, right?
Okay. You filter the
And
records. Nothing but the filter the records. Okay.
the filter the records. Okay. And the parent is the field over here, the parent field which we are referring for the query.
Okay.
And current dot sysid will refer or will take the sysid for the parent field. Is it correct?
What does this current.sysid is actually referring to? To which record it's referring to?
Current dot sysid is taking the incident, like Just a second.
Okay, it's
Just
taking incident, but which record? Can you like Jagadish, or can you say to which record does this current dot syside will actually refer to?
It's system ID current record, I think so, which is recited to parent table.
Okay, not the correct explanation actually. So what is current? What is current? Current is nothing but it will point out to the record due to which this business rule is triggered. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes or no? Current
yes,
refers
yes,
to the record due to which the business rule is triggered, right? So
yes,
dot syside is nothing but the syside of the record.
Yes.
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. I am assuming that you're thinking in this way only, but not able to explain it correctly. If I'm
correct,
not
actually.
wrong.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
everyone. Okay.
Current dot
So if you're having
current dot
clarity, it's
syside is
definitely
refers
fine
to
until now,
yeah.
but you should try to explain it the correct way.
sure.
Okay.
So, Kalki, one more time. So here, dot sysid is referring to
This current
The
dot
sys
sys
ID of
ID
the
will give you the
yeah
sys ID of the record. Which
record.
record?
The
Because of
parent
which
record.
record this business rule is running. So if
okay,
an
okay,
incident is changed to resolve, this current record will refer to that record. This current object will refer to that record because this business will is triggering, right?
Yes.
correct. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And inc dot query is to run the query. Like it is the
Yes.
syntax
Okay.
to run the query. Then here we are taking
One second.
like we have
Just 1 second.
taken.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, yes,
Inc dot query is like to check if there is not like any empty parent or empty child field or something like that. Is it so?
No. Dot query is
Okay.
nothing but applying the filter, running the
Applying the
filter.
filter.
You're applying
Okay.
the
Okay.
filter through add query or encoded query, anything, right? This
yes.
dot
Okay.
query is to run the filter.
Okay.
Like the
So
way
one more
like the
thing.
way
One more thing.
okay.
If I want to verify if there is a parent field or there is even a child field exist with the incident. So how do
Okay.
I verify that?
Yeah, I have said you two methods. You can use if after dot query, you can use if inc dot as next or if inc dot next. I have told you
Right.
before
For a
this
new
thing.
one.
Okay, it will
Yeah, you can
randomly check
verify whether
every
the
next yeah every incident
so this
back to
dot
back.
as next method will return true if there is a record, if there is one record at least. In the same way, inc dot next also will check it. Inc dot next will only run for one time, right? So it will check whether at least a record exists or not. Okay, understood?
Got it.
No. I think I have the question. Like I just want to verify if
Hmm.
that particular incident has a parent incident. If not, then how that thing will apply? How will I write a query to verify that the existing record which I'm referring right now is having a child field?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. After dot query, what it should
Mhm.
happen? All the records which are satisfying that particular query condition, it should
Okay, okay.
be queried, right? So the next
Yeah,
step
yeah.
will be if inc dot as next or
Mhm,
if inc dot next. You can use any of these two methods to
mhm.
verify whether this query is returning any records or not. For example, write it present in sixth line.
Yeah.
I can also write a code I can also write a out there a code like like inc dot add query active true, that kind of thing. I
Yeah,
can
you
also write
can.
that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So that's like
But
just
is it
like
necessary?
somewhat, yeah. Actually, it depends.
Arif,
It depends upon the client requirement. If you want,
Okay,
like, yeah, that is the best way I can say. So it will only verify the active records, whether there are any
active
active
records.
records which are having parent as the current record. If yes, then
Okay,
we are
okay.
updating. If not, yeah, that is like addition.
It
If you're doing like that also, yeah, I'll definitely agree to that point. Okay.
it will not modify any closed or any resolved records. It will
Yes.
only
Yes.
verify the
Modify
active records.
the new in progress, onward, or resolve. You know it, right?
Okay.
Even resolve incident is also active incident, right? Only closed
Mhm.
incident is inactive. But all the other state incidents are active only. Okay?
Okay, okay,
If
okay.
you're adding that query, it's definitely fine. I will agree to that
Mhm.
for now.
Sure, sure. Okay.
But in future, these things are also necessary for us to know from the client or from our lead. Actually, our lead or architect will provide these things, stories, so they will mention it. If not, we should ask them. Okay?
Yeah. So,
Because
one thing,
what
according to our level of expertise, right, which we are possessing right now. I mean, like for 2 to 2.5 years of experience. So, will
Okay.
these things will these responsibilities will be independently given to us, or some senior will do these things and just ask us to verify or ask us to add things a little bit, like ticks and tweaks or something like that.
Okay. So client might not directly communicate with us actually. So there is like hierarchy, right? Like architect, lead, and we are the developers,
Okay.
and there will be BS, nothing but business analyst. So they will get the stories from the client, like the requirements, and they will convert
Okay.
that into stories in service now, and they'll give the story details. Story is nothing but a requirement for you. So they'll
Okay.
give all the required details in that. So if you are having any doubt, you can reach out to the BA or the architect or the manager. So they will
Okay.
say that no need to worry regarding anything. Okay, if you are having any doubt,
Okay.
you can reach out to them. So
Okay.
they
All right.
will confirm and update you. So they can correct the code according to that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you.
Mostly they'll give complete clarification. Mostly they'll give 100% clarification. But in some cases, they might miss something. So in that case, we can ask them. No need to worry.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
uh
Come on,
yes,
Prasad.
yes. So yeah, after INC query, so here we are providing the backend name, sorry, backend, this backend for the state field. So the state field result category,
Resolved.
yes, it is a
State
backend,
resolved.
yes, result. And then here we are giving the inputs. We're taking the inputs, like close underscore code is the backend for
Resolution code. I'll say it.
resolution.
Resolution code.
And where it is, yeah. And close underscore nodes is for work node, I guess.
It's resolution notes.
Yeah. And here we are going for a method that is update multiple. Uh, when it is update multiple, instead of writing while next, so it will run all the above codes which we have written or the inputs which we have taken, and yeah, it will execute.
So what's happening in the seventh, eighth, ninth line is, so as per the query that we are added in fourth line, so it will filter out all the records which are having the current
Okay.
incident as parent, and the seventh line, eighth line, ninth line, we are updating the state field and resolution code and resolution nodes of the child incidents with the values of the current record, and this 10th record. So this 10th line will actually update. If you are
Okay.
trying to update multiple records, you can use while inc.next, and in that you can use inc.update, or else without using that while loop, you can directly use update multiple without while loop. Okay.
Right.
So
Yes.
Prasad, can you write while loop for this instead of using
Uh,
update multiple? Can you use dot update method? If in that
yes.
case, how will you write the code? Can you please write it? Dheeraj, please mute yourself.
Okay.
If you're having something to speak, you can speak. Okay, and then please mute.
Yeah, Kalki, it's done.
Anything is missing? Okay, yeah, it's perfect now. Okay, got
Yeah.
it. So you should include the dot update method within the loop itself, not outside the loop. If you're writing in this way, because you need to update for each record, right?
Yes.
So the
Yes.
dot update should be inside, not outside. If you keep it outside, it doesn't work. It should be inside only. So this is
Okay.
like alternative solution for instead of using update multiple. So you can choose as your wish, but I think this update multiple is much more like what we
When
say.
there
It's
are like
like
multiple inputs, it is like convenient. I mean,
multiple
it
records, not
looks good.
inputs. Say multiple records.
Multiple records. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it.
Yes.
Everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay, show me the next code.
Yeah, just a second. Yes, the second was yeah. So parent, referring to the parent incident. So if any work note is updated over there, so it should get copied to the
Are you
child.
sure it is working? I think it doesn't work.
Actually, I haven't checked.
Don't work. The code is wrong actually. Jagdish, have you written
Okay.
this?
Sorry.
Yeah,
Jagdish?
I'm just let me look at it. I think
Okay.
I know.
You're even querying in the wrong way. The first thing what you should do, you should find out the child incident. Right? You're not even doing that.
Child incident. Yes. Actually, I
Yeah.
haven't taken
Modify
any.
that in fourth line.
Yeah.
No, you should remove in the fourth line itself. It's not. You should not query with work notes. Okay, that's
Yeah.
wrong actually. You should query with parent field. You should
Parent
find
field.
out the
Parent
child
field.
instance, right?
Yeah.
Parent field.
Yeah.
But it's not parent underscore incident because for this I
Parent
told you
underscore
use
incident.
this parent incident field, not parent
Yeah.
field.
It's
Parent
parent
Yeah, it's
yes.
parent
underscore
underscore
incident, then the
incident.
current dot sysid. Current
Perfect.
underscore current dot sysid. That is usual thing.
Parent underscore field, not
Next.
is parent underscore incident. Parent underscore incident.
Yeah. Incident. Yeah. Perfect.
So the current dot journal entry, is it correct?
No. Current dot sysid.
Because you should firstly filter out. Firstly, you need to find out the child instance, right? The same way we have done previously.
Previously,
Yes.
yes.
The common. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's fine until now. And there should be something modified in eighth line.
8th line. Okay.
So, okay, you're finding
INC
out the
work
child
notes.
incident, and
Yes.
you need to update the child incidents with the parent incident work notes. Okay, you
Okay.
might have this idea like you can use this current dot work notes directly now. No, it doesn't work for this journal field. Journal fields are nothing but comments or work notes. You can't access those field values directly through current dot work notes or current dot comments. It doesn't work like that. So there
Okay.
is an alternative method which we can use for that in order to get the work notes or additional comments. So Jagdish, can you help me with that? What is the method? Or anyone in the class can help me with the method in order to get the work notes or additional comments of the record. You can
Work
Google, anyone
notes.
can Google, not
Work
AI, anyone
notes.
can Google it.
Okay.
Yeah, we can like inc dot work underscore notes, I think,
Okay.
and then we can write whatever that we want, like closed by or resolved by the parent or
No,
something, or
we want to access the work notes.
okay,
So, like normally, if you want to access this the state, description, you can use like inc dot short, like current dot short description, current dot, like that, right? But we can't
okay,
access these work notes or additional comments directly through current dot work notes or inc dot work notes or current dot comments or inc dot comments. We can't access that directly. You can try it. You won't get anything. You'll get an empty value. It will be null actually. So in order to get or access the work notes or additional comments, we have a method actually.
inc dot work note, I guess. Is it
That's what I'm
inc
saying.
dot
You can
work?
access any field value through that object dot field name. But this
Yeah,
work notes or additional
inc
comments can't be accessed like that.
inc dot work note or current dot work note. I think current dot work note is written here,
No,
and
that's what I'm
since we have
saying. You
given
can't
inc,
access it
then
like that.
So is it the one, Kalki? Like set journal entry, current dot comments,
No.
manual entry?
no,
No.
no, no, no.
Anyone from the
Go
class?
down, go down, go down. That's the one. Current dot. Oh, okay,
No.
go up. That's the one. That's the one.
No.
Current dot work underscore notes. Then I don't know
Actually,
about this, but you can type any message out here. I have tried it when
No,
that was
but we
similar when we are.
copy it, right? Like we are not like giving input here. I guess this is for the
Yes,
input,
firstly you need to get the value. You need to
right?
get the value from the record. So if you want to give, if you
Okay.
want to assign the value, you can assign it lightly, like current dot working for current dot
Yes.
comments equal to.
So
But
anything input over here?
you are trying to get the value, not trying to set the value. You're trying to get the value. In order to get the value, you can't access the work notes or additional comments through current dot work notes or inc dot work notes or current dot comments or iz dot comments. Go back, Prasad.
Yeah.
Like no one is able to find the method name.
I can't even understand that how to, how to access. You are asking us to access
That's
the
what I'm
work note,
saying.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
How to access the work note?
See that one? No, no, that not that one. How to capture last work note and comment is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, there is a method there. What is it method? Second line.
Okay. The current dot u underscore last comment is equal to current dot comment dot get journal.
Okay. So
So
it is.
dot get journal entry is the method in order to get the latest comment. If you want the latest work notes, current dot work underscore notes dot get journal entry of one. This got get journal entry of one will give us the latest comment or work note. If you use -1 in the place of one, it will give
Mhm.
all the work notes or all the comments. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
go to the business rule again. So anyway, in the seventh line, you used current dot work notes, and after work
Mhm.
notes again put dot
Yeah.
and yeah, dot get journal entry of one. Understood, Jagdish and everyone? Dheeraj, Prasanna?
No,
No. See, in
no.
order to get the work notes or comments of any record, so generally, if you
Mhm.
want to access any field of any record, how you will write? We previously also used like inc dot close code, inc dot resolution code, like that, right? Yes or
Yeah, yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
But when coming to this work notes or additional comments, you can't access the comments or additional like you can't access the comments or work notes through directly like current dot work notes or current dot comments. You can't access it like that directly for work notes and
Mm.
comments. So
Yeah,
Mhm.
for that we have a method known as get journal entry. Okay, go to the code once again. So this
Yes.
dot get journal entry of one gives the latest one. Okay, use one, not
okay.
-1. Prasad, if you use -1, it will give all the work notes. See, if you
Yeah.
use dot work notes dot get journal entry of one, it will give the latest work note. If you use dot comments dot get journal entry of one, it will give the latest comment. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
if you
That
Okay.
is a
use
part of dot
-1,
working.
it's not like part of dot working actually.
Okay.
This
This is
method
not
is
even.
behaves like this way actually. This method behaves in this way. Okay.
Okay. I
Yeah.
see.
This
So
Okay.
if you
particular
use
method
minus
gets
one
journal.
in the place of one, it will return all the work notes that are added to that record or all the
Okay.
comments that are added to that record. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yeah.
We
We
want,
just want the
see, if I
latest.
add a comment to an incident, it should
Mhm.
find out all the child incident and the same work note should be updated to the child incident.
Child
So
incident.
whatever the work note that we are updating, only that should be reflected, right? We don't want all. We want only the
Correct.
last one, the one which you are entering.
Yeah.
So we should use one. Now
Yeah.
save it
No,
and
but
run. It should work.
yeah. So when it like when it is changing the current one particular,
Hmm?
anyone updated the work note that particular one.
Yeah, only that one we need it, right? That's why will use this
Yes.
one.
Correct.
It will only
Everyone
show the work
understood
note
or
from the
not? So this is a
latest
very important question in
incident.
interview also. So
Yeah.
they might think that we might not know this, how to access the work notes or comments. So they might ask this question. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they might ask, how will you access, how will you get the value of work notes or additional comments? We'll use this dot get journal entry of one method.
Yeah.
Even I think I got asked this
That.
question one time. If I'm not wrong, I think I also got asked this question one time. Okay. My friend actually they asked to write the code like that for this in the interview for my friend. Okay. Now
Yes.
Okay.
try to do this. Prasad,
So
try
I
to
think
test it.
yeah. Actually, I don't think I have any like child incident.
Yeah,
Just make it.
same was for me.
Okay, I mean, like,
I
what
made it.
haven't you understood? I mean, can you please unmute yourself and ask? My voice is not clear.
Hello, hello, Kalki.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, for my, I think I have network issue. Your voice was not clear, so I just
Okay,
got
like,
like you told to get the comments. We can use
dot get general entry of method. Dot get general entry method. Yeah.
Test or something.
yes. For that, we need to dot general something you told. That's it. I heard.
Yeah. So if you can't access this work notes or comments value directly, like how you will access other field values. So in order to get the value of the work notes or additional comments, if you want to access those values, you need to use this dot get journal entry method. Okay. In that, within the parentheses, if you use one, it will give the latest comment or work note. If you use -1 in the place of one, it will give all the comments or all the work notes added to that record. Okay. Okay. But our requirement is
Yes.
when an incident is work note is updated, it should find out all the child incidents and all the child incidents or work notes also should be updated. Right. So because of that, we need only the latest one. We don't need all the work notes. We need only the latest one. So because of that, we are using this one within the parenthesis. Okay. Understood, Ayman?
Yes, Kalki.
Okay. Um,
Like, do I have to update
Prasad,
anything? Yeah.
wait. So this
So
is the
this is the
see,
parent
okay.
incident.
This is the parent incident.
Yes.
I think
Okay, update
you
the
go
work
back to the
notes.
code once again, please.
Just update the
Okay.
work notes.
Yeah, it's updated actually. Work notes.
Click on
Can you
post.
please go back to the
Until you
code
click
once
on post,
again?
it won't get updated. Click on post.
Okay.
Now check the whether it got updated in child incident or not. What is child
Okay.
incident? Open it.
This is the one.
Yeah, click on notes. Click on notes. Actually, the color
Just
field
a
is
minute.
getting cleared because of some download client script might be.
Yeah.
Go
Just a minute,
down.
Kalki.
No, it's the out of the box one. Yeah,
Hello.
I am. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, you just told right. Instead of one, if we write -1,
Hmm.
I didn't
It will
got that.
return all the work notes or all the comments added
Okay,
to that record.
okay,
Yeah,
okay. And if there instead of -1, if we write one, then it will return the current one,
latest one. Yeah, the latest
latest
one
one.
which
Sorry.
you are
Okay,
entering. Yeah, you can say the
okay,
latest one, not the current. You can say the latest one.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
So Kalki, this is not the
Bro, can
one.
you go back to the
Okay.
code?
Yeah.
I think there might be something wrong with the code or
Okay.
when to run condition in the code.
I think you went to run, go to when to run.
Okay. Just a second. Yeah.
Okay. This should be after, right? When?
But
I
is this
I
correct?
think
Work note
also
changes?
fine.
No,
Yeah.
after
Work
like
notes
if
changes.
I update something and then I save
Hmm.
it, then that after that note should be updated in the parent or the child, whatever the
Yeah,
incident that should be updated. If I do async,
yeah.
I mean if I'm updating something and if I don't save it, then I go back, then it might change something at the child or something, the work note or something. So
No business
if
will trigger until you save.
Right.
No business
okay.
will trigger until you perform any action like save or delete.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what will be the best, I mean, the best practice out here? To do it on async or on after?
Yeah, I have said you right in the difference between after and nothing. So if the user experience should be better, so if there is a very big code making complex operations on another table, so it might the experience might be very less for the end user because until the complete code is run, the form will not be given for interaction to the user. So considering these factors, we will choose either after or async. So if it's like a very simple code, it might not take much time for
Okay, all
the
right.
form to give for the interaction to the user. So in that way, we can use after. So for
Okay,
the
all right.
complex operations, you can use async.
Async.
Okay.
Okay, all right, all right. Yeah.
Go to advanced, Prasad.
Yeah. Parent incident. Current.
Go to the incident form once again.
Okay. This is the parent one.
Click on related records.
Yeah.
Where okay, this is the parent one.
Yeah, this is the parent one. Yes.
Go to the other incident,
Yeah, this is the one.
child incident. Click on
Yeah.
related records.
Yes.
Fine and yeah. Once again, update the work note in the parent incident.
Okay.
Go to child incident and see once. No, that is out of the box one actually. So what is the backend field name of parent incident? Once check it.
Parent incident. Okay.
In related records. Okay.
Parent
Go to the
incident.
code.
Incident.
Parent underscore incident. Yeah.
Go to mentor run once. Is it active? Once check it.
Mm, it is active. This is the one.
No, go to the top. I'm asking whether it's active or not. Active checkbox is two.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is
it is
Yeah,
active.
active.
Make it after once. Make it after.
The Ubuntu run.
Yeah.
Yeah, save.
Update it.
Now check.
Yeah. Just a second. This is the parent. Okay. Mm.
It will work, I think.
No, it's not working. So there might be something wrong with your instance. Might be.
Okay.
Might be any other business rule is
059.
conflicting with this.
Go to the script. Like go to the script once again. Put the order as 200 because there is out of box business rule which is running to
Yeah.
work to update the work notes. So make it 200 once and
Okay.
update.
Just a second. Yeah. Just save.
I can't find any mistake in the code. But once again, go to the code once. Let me check line to
Okay.
line because small
Yeah.
mistake also doesn't not make it run. You there's nothing wrong. Okay, save. Okay, anyway, saved right. Once update in the parent instant.
Okay. So it's two-time open. No, right open.
It will update two times because one is order of box one is ours. You should update two times. No, scroll down small slowly.
Yeah.
No, it's not updating. Can someone try? Paste the code in the chat, Prasad.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Mm,
No, should never paste the complete code, Prasad. You should
Okay.
only copy. You should only copy the code, not order box one. Anyone, please try. Who have their instance open?
Yeah. This is the code.
Guys, even if the training goes 10 days or 12 days more, don't worry. Anyways, we should learn. That's it. Even if the time consumes, we should learn.
Okay.
If I want to tell fast, I can say it and just leave. But no, right? You should understand. Who is? Yes, someone, please.
I'm
No
actually
one.
not in my not
Is it
in the
working for
PC.
any?
I'm not logging in from the PC. So sorry.
Okay. धीरज
But
आपने
I can.
किसी को
नहीं भाई नहीं किया मैंने. Actually joining from mobile app.
नहीं मैं
Okay,
धीरज
okay. I need some other people to test it at least.
Yeah.
Dheeraj, Jayman, Ishwar, Niketan, Prajakta, Prasanna. No one is having your instance open.
Okay. I think we can correct.
Yeah, but yeah. Okay,
I
login
think
from
I think we need
Prasad.
another
Okay, another
variable out here.
instance.
We need another variable out here.
one more variable.
Oh.
No, I don't think it is
Oh, yeah, the
required.
code is actually correct. There's nothing wrong.
I'm just
Sometimes our
checking.
instance behaves weird. That's the reason it doesn't work as expected in some cases.
7, 9. Okay. Mhm. Let's check. Mhm. Sure. What is this? I want the question. Sure.
Cool, Prasad, leave it. Don't request new instance now for this
Okay.
purpose. Okay, I want at least people copy the code and try it later. Jagdish or someone, please.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I will definitely.
Okay. Yeah. Go to the next code, Prasad.
Yes. Yes. Just a second. What I did. Okay.
So can you please explain the question, the requirement for the next code that you're trying to explain?
The third one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the third one, just a second.
I'm gonna create a new group called internal, and
Yeah,
when a
okay,
new
so-
user record is created, that user should be automatically added to the internal group.
Yeah, so there should be a group called internal, and any new user is created, it should automatically add to that particular group.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Jagdish, have you done this?
No, I haven't. I haven't even tried.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about Ishwar, Ayman, Dheeraj? Guys, until you actually try, it will be very difficult actually. I'm trying my best to push you people.
Actually, I have tried,
So,
but not sure whether it is running or not. Actually, I have tried, but
Prasad,
not
what is
sure.
your approach you're actually trying to do?
Yeah, I'll explain. So here I have like declared a variable new group member
Okay,
ngm.
firstly, Prasad, once wait.
Yeah.
So, in this case, for which table will I create the business rule? When a new user record is created, like when a new user is created, it need to be automatically added to a group. Okay, so for which table will I write the business rule? Any one.
User group, like sys user group. Like my
User
approach is
group.
that like for user group we will create a business
User group or user table?
user table. I'm really sorry. Yeah, user table.
Yeah, user table.
Any other answers from any other people?
I thought Kalki incident table. Need
Why
to
incident table? We are not even talking about incidents here, right? So when I'm
No.
giving business rules
uh,
for incident table, doesn't mean that only for that table will write the business rules
okay.
or any scripts. It depends.
It says
I am saying when a new user is created, you need to be automatically added to a group.
yes,
So
internal group.
I'm saying when a new user is created, when a new user means user record means user table means I'll write a business rule for user table. And which condition will I put here? Insert or update or both or which one?
No, it should be insert.
Insert or update.
Yes,
Actually,
because we
both
are
one will
creating
work.
new users. We are not
Okay, so it will
updating
be
any
insert or
existing
update.
users.
Okay. No, Niketan, it's not
But
update. Actually,
insert.
it is insert because I'm
It's
saying
in short.
when a
Will
new
create
user is
one.
created, then it should be added to the
Yes.
group. So it will be only insert. Okay, if you're
Yeah.
trying to put it update, it will even trigger when the user record is updated. It should not
Updated.
happen.
Yeah.
It might
I should
not
understand.
impact anything. When a user is already in the group, we can't add again into that group, right? It will not impact, but it will
Yeah.
impact our system performance. Okay.
Right.
So the condition also should be put. You should have the clear understanding about the condition, about the situation also. They will actually provide the situation. Okay. Your team will definitely provide the complete requirement which you should understand before putting any
Yes.
condition. Otherwise, it will impact your performance of the instance. So
Yes.
what condition you have put, Prasad,
So,
inventor
uh,
run?
actually, I haven't any condition I have
Go to
updated.
Venture run.
Okay. Yes.
So without it, how it will work, sir? Without putting insert,
Yeah.
update, or delete, what it will
Delta
consider?
condition.
It won't consider
It should
anything.
be insert.
So it won't run.
Insert.
Should put it
Yeah.
insert.
Not
Why
update.
update
Not
again,
update.
Prasad? Why update?
Not update.
I want to
Only
know the answer.
insert.
Why update?
Insert.
No, actually, not update. It should only
Yeah,
insert.
save.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And explain the code once.
Yeah, sure. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So here I have declared a variable, a new group member in GM.
Anyway, the code is
So,
wrong. Anyone can, in the first line itself, the code is wrong.
okay.
On Friday, I explained you a table. I explained you 4 tables, four
Yes.
or three.
Three
Sys
table.
user GR member, sys user as role, sys group as role.
Correct.
If you are adding any user to a group,
Mhm.
that means a new record will be created in sys user GR member table. If you're adding any user to a group manually from groups or from users, it will directly create a record in sys user GR member table. So in which table you need to create a record in order to add a user to the group?
Actually, GR member, sys user GR member, that group, that table. Just
Understood
a
or
second.
not, everyone? Anyone is
Yes.
having any doubt regarding that?
Yeah.
In which table shall I create a record in order to add the user to the group? Sys user GR member. Sys user GR member table will give the list of records in which user is in which group.
Right.
Okay.
You should explore the tables. I have already explained on Friday. You should explore the tables. Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
fine. So as I said, in order to add, Dheeraj, please mute yourself. I'm getting noise actually. Yeah. So as I am saying, you should be added to the group. So you're using insert method. So if I want, so consider when a user record is deleted, okay, I want him to be removed from the group. So which method will I use? I will use delete record method.
Delete.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you delete, it will be removed from that group. That's it. Okay. But I
Yes.
want to be added, so you used insert method. Explain the code, Prasad.
Yes. So here, yeah, and so this is a variable in GM, and I have declared another variable called group. And this is I've created a group in the back like in the system, and it is the backend name for the internal group. And then I have taken ngm.group. It should it should add it to insert in that particular group, internal group.
I think you
What does
used a
this
bracket
current
or
dot
something
sysad
on
refers to?
the group.
So calendar sysID refers to the like object which we are referring to, that particular
What current dot sysad will populate which sysad?
the user
Just
sysID, the
SID.
user group sysID.
Perfect.
Yeah,
So
new
Yeah.
user SID.
is in
Yeah.
the fourth line is assigning that internal group sys ID to a group variable. Okay. If you're trying to create a new record in sys user GR member table, there are two fields. One field is user and one field is group. Group is
Right.
nothing but to which group you want the user to be added. User is nothing but which user you want to be added to the group. Okay. So you need to
Yes.
Yeah.
populate those two fields. That is what is doing in fifth line and sixth line.
Yeah.
Both are reference fields actually. Group field is a reference field
Yes.
and user field is a reference field. So if
Yes.
you're having doubt about these fields, open the sysuser member table.
Uh,
Prasad, right click on sysuser GR member. Right click on third line sysuser GR member.
okay. Yeah.
Click on show data. It will open that table list. Click on new. See, it will populate two fields, user and group. So
Group.
you need to populate these two values for the table. Like in order to create, like in order to add user to the group. That's what he's
Yep.
doing. He's
Yeah.
assigning the values. He's assigning the user value and he's assigning the group field value. Go to the previous tab
Yes.
and he's inserting dot insert method.
Yeah.
Everyone understood or not?
Yeah. Is there
Hmm?
anything wrong in the fourth line?
No, actually, it's not actually required. He's assigning the sys ID to a he's assigning a sys ID to a variable, and
That is
he's
good.
assigning the variable value
Yeah.
in the fifth line.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I think the variable value that he is declaring and the variable like the field in sys user member table is same. So there might be some issue because of that. Not sure.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, it's because of that issue only. Because the variable that you declared and the field in the table is same.
Yes.
It
Yes.
might work
Group.
fine. If it doesn't work fine, that is the problem. Okay. So
Got it.
make it GRP. Make
Okay.
it GRP in the place, yeah, in the group, fourth line. Fourth
Okay.
line.
Yes. Yes. I'm doing it. Okay.
So Jagdish, is there any other way that you can decrease one line of code?
Mm,
Anyone?
If I'm referring, like
Actually,
if
we
I'm
can actually
referring the
trying,
fourth
but
line, the fifth line is actually is that needed even the fifth line?
Fifth line is needed. Fourth line is not actually required. He's
yeah, fourth
assigning
line.
sys ID to a variable and he's assigning this variable value to in fifth line. Why? It's not required, right? We can just remove the fourth line and you can directly give the sys ID in the fifth line instead of GRP. Yes or no?
Yes, we can do that.
Can you please
Yeah, it
explain once
depends. I'm
again?
just
I mean,
saying.
just
That's it.
please repeat once again.
So he's assigning the sys ID to a variable and he's
Okay.
assigning that variable value to ngm dot group in fifth line. So what I'm saying
Okay.
is like you can directly give the sys ID in the fifth line itself instead of assigning to another variable and using
Yeah.
that variable
Yeah.
in fifth line.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
Yeah.
it's fine.
here itself we
It
can give
depends upon the
again.
style of the person coding.
Yeah.
It might be each style. Anyway, this is only one variable. It doesn't matter. But if in future, if he's working with 20 or 30 lines code, you might need to declare many variables, so which might take much memory. That's what I'm
Right.
saying. But now it's
Yeah.
definitely fine. It's very like
Fourth
very
line is
less
not
number of
necessary.
lines. So it's so good
Perfect.
that I won't even say
Perfect.
anything. I
Yeah.
won't say it is wrong actually because it's very less number of lines. So it's fine. Okay. Yeah, just save. It will work. It should work.
Yeah.
And you're using this ngm. What does ngm actually mean? So what? How can it defend that ngm
It's a
In group
variable?
group.
member.
Mm, okay. Satisfied. If you're
Yeah.
able to define, it's fine.
So, like group member GR, also we can take new group member.
No, I said like never you use GR at any
Yeah,
place.
okay. Yes,
It's
got it.
not at all recommendable actually. Even
Yeah,
ServiceNow says that. I already said in previous some class.
yes,
I got habituated with GR in my previous sessions. Even
Okay.
I use GR in my like normal developing, like not in project, in my personal doing
Mhm.
all those things. But recently I also stopped using this GR and saying that for you, because if I use and say GR for you, you'll also get habituated with using GR. Many
Right.
people who are in service now domain, they are mostly habituated with GR only. But now in project it's not recommended.
Got it. Yeah.
So anyways, now you have done this right. When a user record is created, it should be automatically added to a group. For tomorrow's session, you should create some role, and when a new user record is created, you should
Okay.
automatically add that, assign that role to that user. That is the requirement for tomorrow. I will add this another requirement also. I'll give it, but now test it. Now test this
So
for now.
user ID, what user ID I will get?
Give anything, test user or Arbor, your name, my name, anyone's name.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
User. Yeah.
First name, last name is not mandatory. You can just ignore for now. Just save it.
Okay. Yeah.
Go down.
Yeah.
Group.
Yeah.
Did it
Added.
added?
Internal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Understood everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. Got it. So actually, I got confused over there. Actually, I was like what you so I thought it was not required, the second variable which I declared. But yeah,
Yeah, it's definitely
got it.
fine. I won't say it's wrong. Invest
But
like
it,
less
it
number
will
of
increase
line
the
support,
line
nothing
actually.
matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. But
Yeah.
anyway, we are
That's
taking this
what I
backend
think.
link, which is not required.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But make
It
habitude
was
or
like
something. So you're providing system here, right? Okay. I'll say it later. Don't worry. There is something I need to say, but not now. After 3 or 4 days. But no, let's continue like this. Okay. It's fine.
Sure.
So stop the screen sharing.
Yeah.
So if you are very much confident with this business rule scripting, there's nothing but server-side scripting. So you
Yeah.
will use the
yeah.
server-side scripting in business rules. Script includes and reference qualifiers, related lists at many places. So don't consider that I'm only saying business rules. Consider I am making you to use this server-side scripting. Okay.
Right. Yes.
Tomorrow I will say glide aggregate API.
Okay.
Glide aggregate.
So until now you're using this glide record API, right? Tomorrow
Yes.
I will say you how to access the logged in user details, like how you use this G underscore user in client side. We have glide system API here and some methods in order to access the logged in user details in server side. And another API, nothing but glide aggregate API. It's all somewhat easy. Okay. Okay. Now when a new user is created, he should be automatically. Okay, firstly, can you please verify whether you have a role known as SNC underscore internal?
Okay. Just checking.
Previously, we used to have that role out of the box, but these versions we are not having it. So not sure, once check it.
Okay. So what?
SNC underscore internal.
So it's a name or user ID? Name, right?
It's role name. Role name.
Yes. Uh, no, I guess.
Okay.
So could you please spell that
It
together?
should not be there. It won't be there. Cool.
Okay. Okay.
When a new user record is created, he should be not very, it's not like easy, right? The user
Mm.
should be automatically
You can also write that the by default group would be this kind of thing.
Not this actually.
5 minute,
When
5 minute. अच्छा.
when a new user record, when a user record active, understood? We have a checkbox, right? Active. So if we make that user record as inactive, like active, false, and save,
Okay.
no, the user should be removed from groups in which the user is the member. Understood or not? Whenever a user record is made inactive, nothing but active checkbox as false. So whatever the groups is the member of, it should be removed from all those groups. Okay?
Okay, got it.
Understood or not?
Yes. Yes.
Inactive means we have a checkbox. We have a field known as active. It is a checkbox. If you make it false and save, it should be removed. The user should be removed from all the groups in which he is a member of.
Okay. Group has role.
No, we not use that actually. It's not required to use. What? Sir?
Like sys underscore group has role, we can use that in that table. We can refer to that table, right? If it is.
What is the group? What is the table that we have used it now?
So we have used just now like GR member, group underscore GR member.
Then why will you use this user group now?
Oh, sorry, like not sys, like that particular one.
Which group? So which table?
Group has role, right? That table.
Sys group GR member. Sys user GR. So sys user GR member. Sorry, sys user GR member. That is the table you will use because in that table only
Which
we
user
perform
has been in this
operations.
group. Yeah.
The table will show all the people in which groups they are in.
They are,
right?
Yes, they are added to. Yeah.
So for this, if it is made inactive, you should remove. For that, you will do insert operation or delete operation.
Delete.
Okay. So for that, we have a method. For insert, we have dot insert. For update, we have dot update. For update multiple, we have update multiple. In the same way, for delete, we have delete record method. You should use this method. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
If you want to delete multiple, we have dot delete multiple.
As update
Okay.
multiple. Yeah. Dot delete multiple.
You can use any of this. If you want to use this, you should use while loop. If you don't want to use while loop, you can use this. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay, in business we want to run, which checkbox will you make it true? Insert, update, or delete? Which one?
Sorry?
In when to run of the business rule, which one you make true? Insert or update or delete?
Delete.
Update and delete.
Update.
Why delete? It should be update, right?
Yeah.
And it should be for user table, if I'm not wrong. I'm saying it when a user means user table is made inactive, means update.
Okay, update. Yeah.
Not delete.
Delete is not necessary.
Yeah.
Update.
Yeah.
We are making it inactive.
So I'll uploading this file. Don't worry, I might have forgot that. Okay.
Yes.
I tried searching the requirement, but I couldn't find it. So I went through your video. I was not present in that class. I went through your video, took a screenshot and did the things.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
enjoy the day. Please do it.
Sure. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you. Good night.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Good
Bye.
night.
Good night, everyone. Yeah.